Welcome back. Apple's iPhone 14 Pro is set to be the phone that could shake up the iPhone range by bringing a different design from the iPhone 13 Pro. Thankfully, going by the leaks and rumors so far, Apple's next Pro model might be doing just that. Want to know about it? Then stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. Tipster John Prosser has showcased a suite of renders based on leaked information, which reveals possible changes for the iPhone 14 Pro. Prosser's renders show a trio of cameras flush with the iPhone 14 Pro's back. But if that sounds nice, you might be disappointed by some rival schematics that show the iPhone 14 Pro models looking a lot like their iPhone 13 counterparts. The raised camera array is back, and even bigger on the iPhone 14 Pro. The new phones are also rumored to be 0.2 mm thicker than the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Perhaps, the most notable rumored design change for the iPhone 14 Pro is the removal of the now infamous display notch. This design is now seemingly locked in, according to rumors from Everything Apple Pro. There are rumors that Apple would finally go with the USB-C port route with the iPhone 14 Pro, which would make sense, as many of its devices already have USB-C connectivity. However, more recent rumors claim that Apple will stick with Lightning over USB-C, but switch to updated Lightning ports with faster USB 3.0 data transfer. For some people, USB-C on the iPhone 14 Pro would be a must-have feature. In fact, the Lightning connector is arguably the worst thing about the iPhone, as it can wear out over time. This can make it very difficult to charge your phone. Unfortunately, Apple is unlikely to abandon Lightning, unless it has to, given how established the standard and its ecosystem of accessories already is. One of the biggest upgrades of the iPhone 13 Pro delivered was a 120 Hz dynamic refresh rate display. According to some rumors, the iPhone 14 Pro could build upon this and scale down to as little as 1 Hz, reducing the power drain of a display. And this could enable the reported use of an always-on display. In contrast, the standard iPhone 14 models are now tipped to get a 90 Hz display, which would be an upgrade over the 60 Hz of the iPhone 13, but not quite up there with the Pro phones. As for screen sizes, the iPhone 14 Pro could increase in size from 6.06 to 6.12 inches, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max from 6.68 to 6.69 inches. This will apparently be because of rumored slimmer bezels and the new notch design. Don't expect a big change in the number of cameras the iPhone 14 Pro will bring, as the Pro phones are tipped to stick with the standard combo of a main, ultra-wide, and telephoto array. But one leak has the iPhone 14 Pro tipped to get a 48MP main camera, which could finally make a change from the 12MP cameras Apple has used for years. No changes have been touted for the ultra-wide camera, but we'd be surprised if some effort wasn't made to improve the field of view and help remove some edge distortion. And there's scope for the telephoto camera to get a zoom boost, as an Apple patent points toward the company working on a periscope-style zoom camera. If such a feature was going to debut in an iPhone, it would be for the iPhone 14 Pro. Following on from the A15 Bionic, we'd expect to see an A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14 Pro series, with improved performance across the board. However, a suite of rumors thus far have the iPhone 14 tipped to stick with the A15 Bionic chip, which would create a disparity between the model's core specs. This would be a first for Apple, as it has always equipped new iPhones with upgraded silicon. The iPhone 14 Pro is likely to offer a distinct hike in processor, graphics, and neural processing performance over the A15 Bionic. How much that will be noticeable to the average user might not be so clear. The iPhone 14 Pro could be the phone that many of us have been waiting for, with the Pro models tipped to offer a real evolution of the iPhones we've seen over the past few years. Sure, it's not going to be unrecognizable from the iPhone 13 and iPhone 12, but we suspect this upcoming generation of iPhone will introduce a design language and capabilities that will set the stage for other iPhones to follow. Was this video useful? If yes, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Until then, Goodbye.